Hey guys, welcome back. It's Wednesday, September 2nd. I wanted to show you a couple of the trades I've did in the last couple of days. Again, we started off with really $400, but it's not really. I suppose it's $400 now. It's 609 minus 150 because I'm in a stock right now, which is WDHR, which is a huge mistake. So right now I have 450 to work with. $50 of that right now is caught up into the Apple puts. And I bought the Apple puts for this weekly Friday expiration, 110 puts. I bought them for $1, and now unfortunately they are 50 cents because today we got this ridiculous rally. And I really think this is just the buyers stepping in. They think that they have found the bottom. They just want to be the first ones in there. To be honest, I know there's volume behind it, but I just don't think it's going to hold. I think we're going to go right back down. And the reason being is, although the Dow went ahead and spiked up today and broke some support, it didn't break the major support it needs to continue upward. Not yet, at least. The SPX and NASDAQ also have not broken really any major support whatsoever. So I believe those are going to continue down. So right now I'm holding Apple. Again, I've lost $58 on it, $66 or so. They're 55 last, 50 bid. But I think that's going to shoot right up by Friday. I'm going to hold on to it for at least tomorrow to see where it's at. If it doesn't go my way, then I'll just get out of them and be done with it. But I really think it's going to go my way, especially with this 3-day weekend coming up. People just aren't going to want to be in stocks overnight for when China opens up on Monday. So my closed positions, I actually did a Netflix trade, and I'm extremely excited about it, but I did make a mistake. I closed out of my Netflix trade today. I opened it yesterday. It was the 103 puts for this Friday weekly expiration. I bought them for 120 and I sold them for 382. So that was a great 261 short-term gain. And I was really happy about that. The reason I am upset, though, is because I actually, from yesterday, held, or not yesterday, but the day before that, I held the 110 puts. And I would have made a ridiculous amount. I probably would have gone up to $800 here instead of only $261. So I was really stupid about not holding on to that, even though I knew that the market was going to go down. So I don't know if I touched on it last time, but my main indicator for the market going down is XLU. Reason being, last crash that we had, it told us that we were going to have a crash. So let me go out to the monthly. As soon as this main support broke, it never looked back. Just kept on going down, down, down. XLU and the utilities really didn't crash too hard, not nearly as much as finance did and the housing sector and all that other stuff. But regardless, it told us that it was going to happen. So here's what we're looking at now, and this has changed big time since I did the last video. Here we are in this trend line, and let me draw it the best I can for you. All right. There's our trend line. This has been since 2009 all the way to almost mid 2015. But look at what's happening. I mean, it's breaking, and if it ended up breaking completely, which it plowed through pretty hard today. If you look at Fibonacci at all, which I've been paying a lot of attention lately, it popped right up. To just over the 50% and fell right back down. And then it came down and popped up again, touched its 23%, and then fell right back down. This is going to break really hard really soon. We got a bunch of volume here, and it's going to be the indicator. I promise you. So that's just about done. That's going down next week. I guarantee that we're going to lose another 1,000 points or so. So my last video was a bit bullish. Again, I told you that I was bearish, but I could be wrong because I've been wrong about other things. But I am very, very confident that we are about to enter into a bear market if we're not in one already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep an eye out on Apple, and I'm going to look for a trade tomorrow or Friday to hold on to the weekend. or over the weekend. I was really thinking about Facebook because it just can't break these 20-day, 50-day SMAs. And it looks really good. It's holding really well right now, but again, it's not going to be able to hold for long, and we'll have a drop right back down to 70. So I'm going to probably short that over the weekend with the with whatever I end up having left. I'm actually going to use my full balance, because if I don't, I'm not going to be able to make any money. And if I lose it, I'm not scared. I'll make it somehow. But I'm here to make a profit, and I want to do my very best. And with the market how it is right now, it just looks right. It looks perfect. So I'm going to take advantage of it the best I can. That's going to be it for today, guys. And I'll see you on the next update.